Hello friends! In today's video I'm going to show you how to assemble the printable vintage photo album, a product from my Etsy shop. This video was made by special request from one of my dear customers. First, after printing the design on regular paper, carefully cut out all the individual pieces. Next, fold the cover tabs inward and glue them down. Your cover is now ready. For extra sturdiness, you can glue the cover to a piece of cardstock if you have some at home. Now it's time to prepare the pages. Fold each set of the pages in an accordion style. The first page will be glued to the back of the front cover, so fold the first two pages so they face each other. Continue following the folding pattern. For the second set of pages, fold them following the pattern. For the third set, the first page will be glued to the back of the last page of the previous set, so fold the first page so it faces the second page, then fold the rest of the set. Apply glue to the back of the first page and attach it to the back of the last page from the previous set. Continue folding the fourth set following the same pattern. The last page will be glued to the back cover, so don't worry if its reverse side is blank. Once all the pages are folded, stack them together and check if they fit neatly into the cover. Adjust slightly if needed. Then apply glue to the spine and attach all the pages to the cover. Glue the first page to the front cover and the last page to the back cover. Place a heavy object on top while it dries, or you can secure it with mini craft packs instead. If you ever have trouble assembling any of my products, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll be more than happy to film a video guide just for you. Bye for now!
First time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room. And when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing.